Applying roller may look like a daunting process, but it is easier than it looks if you know the process. So, I made a step by step beginner friendly guide. Welcome, everyone. Make sure the surface is dry, clean, and smooth. Use a thin, even layer only where you want gold. I add color in my gold leaf adhesive. Why? Clear adhesive disappears on canvas. A little color makes every gold detail intentional. Wait until it becomes stucky, not wet. Test with your knuckles. It should feel sticky but does not come off. Water based size usually takes 10 to 20 minutes. Oil based 1 to 3 hours. Always check your label and then try it. Gently place gold leaf over the tacky area. Gold leaf is delicate, unpredictable, and completely transforms art. Remember to press slightly with a soft brush or a dry sponge. After a few minutes, gently brush away loose flakes. Save fallen flakes for future use. This here is my favorite part, where the excess gets removed and the necessary is revealed, showing its true beauty. Less is more. If you think this video added any value, then please like, share and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.